Hi, Ellie here, and today I'm going to be cooking a 250 gram dough ball in the Ooni Koda 16. So let's cook this dough ball. It's 20 degrees Celsius today and not much wind. And I wanted to show how many dough balls you could make out of one of my batches. 500 grams of pizza flour, how many dough balls. So I've got one 180 gram, one 200 gram, one 250 gram, and I've got 110 grams left. My finger holes there. I'm going to put a pan in for a few seconds just to bring down some of the temperature there. I think it's gone a bit high. And a bit at the back. It's down to 430-ish, exactly what I want. So that's 430 Celsius. And here's my bigger pizza with my 250 gram dough ball, which is sticking. Make sure it's wiggling free. Nothing worse than a sticking pizza going into your oven. Okay, let's do this and make sure I've got my peel. Yep, we're ready to go. Oh, I thought I was going to have a bit of trouble then. Felt as if it was going backwards, not forwards. Whew. You can see how dark it's gone in here by how bright the flames are. Yeah, I think I'm getting a bit of leakage on the base of the dough because I tipped too much sauce. Which was a bit silly of me, but I should have put that on after, thinking about it. So it was safer to put the sauce on like that afterwards, not before. Done. Lovely base. I got this pizza to 27 centimeters. With the just a room proof of 24 hours, and it's come out very bubbly for no cool proof, so I'm really happy with that. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.